Female breasts are complex structures primarily composed of adipose fat tissue, mammary glands, and connective tissue. While breast size is predominantly determined by genetics, hormonal influences, and body fat distribution, numerous natural methods have been proposed to augment breast size. This comprehensive article delves into the scientific evidence behind these methods, providing a factual analysis of their efficacy and potential benefits. Bust-enhancing phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are plant-derived compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen, a hormone that plays a crucial role in breast development. Several studies have investigated the potential of phytoestrogens to increase breast size. Fenugreek, a herb containing isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen, has shown promising results in breast augmentation. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bio-Allied Sciences reported that women who consumed fenugreek supplements experienced a significant increase in breast size over an 8-week period. Soy, another source of isoflavones. Soy has been linked to breast enlargement in some research studies. A 2010 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women consuming soy milk had slightly larger breast sizes compared to those who did not. Hormonal regulation. Hormones, such as estrogen and progesterone, play a significant role in breast development and maintenance. Natural methods that influence hormonal balance can potentially affect breast size. Prolactin. This hormone is primarily responsible for milk production during breastfeeding. However, some studies suggest that increased prolactin levels may also stimulate breast growth. Fennel seeds, anise seeds, and blessed thistle are believed to increase prolactin levels. Weight gain. Body fat is a major component of breasts. Gaining weight, particularly in the form of adipose tissue, can naturally lead to breast enlargement. This method, however, is not targeted specifically at breast tissue growth. Lifestyle factors. Certain lifestyle changes may indirectly impact breast size. Exercise. Regular physical activity that targets the chest muscles, such as chest presses and push-ups, can help tone and strengthen the supporting muscles underlying the breasts, potentially enhancing their appearance. Massage. Massaging the breasts can stimulate blood flow to the area, potentially improving circulation and nutrient delivery, which some believe may contribute to breast growth. However, scientific evidence to support this claim is limited. Surgical options. For individuals seeking more dramatic breast enlargement, surgical interventions are available. However, it is crucial to consult with a qualified plastic surgeon to discuss the risks, benefits, and potential complications associated with breast augmentation surgery. Conclusion. Enhancing breast size naturally is a topic with significant interest, but it is essential to approach it with realistic expectations and a focus on improving overall health. While some natural methods may have promising potential, scientific evidence is still emerging, and individual results may vary. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before implementing any significant dietary or lifestyle changes. Surgery remains the only medically proven method for achieving substantial breast enlargement, but it should be considered carefully and with the guidance of a qualified surgeon.